like creating a football streaming site like for free. And I will go to Blogger, and for those of you who are not familiar with Blogger, like it lets you create a website for free. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna click and create a new blog, and we'll go to, what should we call it? Te let's call it football world. Yeah, let's see football world. I know it. Football world domain. Let's call it 2567. Yeah, it's available. Let's go with that. And it's saving. It has created. So right now, this is the website that we've just created. It looks nothing like a football streaming site. So what we're going to do is to head over to my Patreon. For those of you who don't know, like this is where like I share some of the files for you. And this file is available for free, so link is gonna be in the description for this, don't worry. And it's available for any like membership, whether you joined in as a free member or you're trying to, you can gift if that's what you want. Okay, it's okay. But this is available for free, but you can support by gifting us anything that you can do. Like we have membership from 13 to 29 to $7. Okay, so anyways, you get access to exclusive content that is not here. So as you can see, this is the new template. It's called the alert template, and then we save it. As simple as that. Let's save it not in the iCloud. Let's save it in on my iPhone. Let me save it here, right? Okay, so after that we go to theme, right? And we click upload, right? Let's choose, and it's here. It's already downloaded right now. And voila, that's true. And it has just loaded. Right now we have no content, so let's see how it looks like at the moment. Oh my days, this is how it looks like, but we still have this report me, search blog, and which we don't want. So let's first go back here and remove those unwanted like gadgets that are here. I think they are here in the, let's remove search blog. We remove this one too for AdSense. We remove this one too. Is the attribution. They're not supposed to be anything in the header section. That's why we remove all these gadgets that are not supposed to be there, right? This one also is not supposed to be there, and also about me. So it's supposed to have like the settings. The settings are the only thing that are supposed to be there. So we leave the settings tab there. We don't do anything on it, okay? Okay, so that's fine. Okay. So this is how it looks like now. As you can see, it comes with this is how beautiful it is, and it has like a good sliding widget, and then you can see that you can change this, and then you have a good a good live TV section whereby different TVs And then what else? When you scroll down, like when you post something and it has football labeled on it, it will appear here: NFL, NBA, rugby, or if you do any other like stuff. So here you can post, and then yep, you can add highlights also, football of what you want, and then you can change this section too if that's what you want. But for this section, I'm going to show you like the new tool which I have that is so interesting. This tool will let you like change this section which has like football matches, and all we need to do is that we don't need to change anything here. Okay, for the free version you'll do it manually, but if you want the upgraded version, it's in my Patreon. It's really good. It's automatic and you don't need to change this or any code. But for this section, I'm going to show you like how you can do it. This is the tool that we use. It looks like this, and this tool will let you, so we can add, let's say what matches are happening tonight. There is Ivory Coast versus Norway, there is France versus Sweden, and then Ecuador. So we are gonna just select that, but we can select also these other matches. And if you want, you can add, it has like so many different like sports, basketball, motorsport, but for this section let's just use these three. And we don't have anything to link it to, so let me just put here like an hashtag, or let me just put hashtag, just an hashtag, or let me just leave it. Okay, for the free section you'll get only access to let me first show you, like for this section. After that we can just click replace all, and then we push. Once you push, it will appear here automatically. When I refresh, it will change, and as you can see, it has changed. Ivory Coast versus Norway, France versus Sweden, it has changed automatically once I click push to all events. And if I want, I can also add these ones too, like this, and I can just say I can merge with the existing or replace all. Okay, for this let's just replace all. Okay, let's replace them all. Okay, so now you're gonna see some MLB like content. Okay, let's see. And as you can see, the MLB, the baseball teams are here, and you can see the events also. Okay, they are all added, so it means they are available right now. And if also you want, so this is the paid version, so if you want, you can remove like this. Whichever team that you remove, it won't appear. Let's say France versus Sweden also, it was there, so let's remove it. Okay, and then Baltimore. Okay, and then we can remove them and then refresh. We see if everything is okay. Hey, I think it's my network, but anyways, you can merge through the existing. But anyways, let me show you how the manual thing it will be. For the manual thing, you need to add this widget, you need to copy it. Okay, sorry, for the automatic thing, you need to copy this widget and add it into your blog where you want it to appear. Okay, but for this you can for this you can add them also manually. Let me show you. Oh, let's change. Let's first change, and we'll remain with let me just do this and fetch for today. I'm gonna just go with these three matches, right? And then I click generate preview, and then I want to copy, and then I will go to our, let's see, where is it? So we have no post at all. We'll need to go to here today, right? We need to change all of this. If you want to do it manually, then you post that, right? Okay, when we click read, so they've updated. As you can see, they updated. It's updated right now, and this is how it looks like. France versus Sweden, Mexico versus Ecuador, and then we've also got Ivory Coast versus Norway, which is great, guys. Okay, so what else should I show you? Okay, we also have like I don't know if you saw the automatic, this one. Now what this does, I don't know if it's saved. I'll need to add the API key. I don't think I still have the authorization client, but what it does, it can also auto post. I don't know if you saw my recent video, but once you fetch post, it will bring you like, when you have to go to settings first, you add your blog ID, and then the Google client authentication, which I added into the comments. So let me show you. Let's see if we can see that. Let me go to YouTube. Actually, I see if I can get that. It's in the description, I remember. It's out in Alexa, right? Where is the video? It has to be one of the latest. I added, where is it? It's here. So it's here. Didn't explain much, but I want to show you. So this is the authentication ID which I want. Why can't I like access it here? Okay, let me just copy the link. I'm going to access it let me access it here, because there I couldn't like copy and paste, but here I believe why did it allow? But here I believe I can copy and paste, right? I think this one will explain more. Okay, wait, why is it not showing me everything? Oh my days. I just need a description. More. Oh, this is it. It's here up to .com, right? Then we copy. Then we go to here, right? I'm just showing you how to auto post. And then we add the blog ID, right? What is the blog ID of this? Wait, I need to know the blog ID. So you come here, you copy this. It has to start here, right? Wait, let me first go to the home page. It is at the home page. Why is it showing me in the English? Okay, it starts with 4, and then we copy this and we add it into our blog ID, and then after we save, after saving, we click sign in. We click sign in with a Gmail that has access to the what? To the blog. So right now it has signed in, right? It is signed in. So how to auto post? So here you can add like cloud if you want. Anyway, let's not first go there. This is our player. This is the program XC. I can decide, let's fetch from all of these sources, and then let me add all of the leagues, FIFA World Cup, whatever. Let's add all of them. These are the things that you can auto post onto your blog, right? Then we go to dashboard, we click refresh, fetch all. Wait, why am I not seeing World Cup? I activated it. It's supposed to be there. It's supposed to go events. Okay, it has loaded all of them. So here you can see Champions League. This is the match that ended last Europa. So it's still, since the season has not yet begun, it shows you like the previous matches. But once we go to the World Cup, it will show you matches that are happening. So right now, I think German and Paraguay is 1-1, and it's, as you can see the time up there, the match is still going on. So yeah, so Brazil ended 2-1, and then there is a Portugal, there is Netherlands versus Morocco, which is gonna be happening at 4. So let's try that. We click generate, right? I have to click generate. It's gonna generate it. Yeah, so it's done. So these are the sources it has got, and then yeah, I don't need to explain that much. So we can add things like cloud. If you added the cloud API here, you can choose the tone. You can add here like a tone. You can add here the maximum number of words which you want, extra long articles, you get. So after that, you go to like compose, because we're already like trying to create an article. We can add like cloud, we can add CTA, stream block, like it adds call to send, like call to action banners, and then we can add fact like SEO friendly question and answer markup, and then we can also add a table. We can add a head-to-head record. So after that, in case it had like like the highlight, in case it is posted on YouTube, you can search it from here. Also, in case the match has ended, but unfortunately I didn't add, like it is supposed to go here. Where is it? The YouTube API. Where am I skipping it? It's supposed to go somehow here close. The YouTube API. Okay, it's here. As you can see, YouTube API. It is supposed to go here. And then after you add it there, you can be like adding like, let me see. You can be adding. Where the fuck are you? Where is it? You can be adding like highlights from YouTube automatically. Yep. So after that, for us, we are done. You can schedule a post to go live. You can schedule it to go in draft, but for this moment, let's just schedule it to go live. I think we are done here. Let's click publish. So okay, I needed like an AP. I needed this. So to get this, you'll need to go to IMGBB. So let's see, IMGBB, to get the image, like to upload the images for free, because those thumbnails won't be stored from in Blogger there, because they're somehow bigger. Okay, why is it taking long? it my network? What is happening? IMGBB. Okay, see, it has loaded. All you need to do is to sign in, or you can create an account. For me, I just signed in using my Google account, and then I'm going to get the API because it has refused to create the article without. So these are the images it has been uploading, but I need the API. You go to about, API IMGBB. So you just search that, and then after you logged in, you get the API. Okay, and then we add it to the tool. Remember, this tool is available for free, and we are looking forward to get you other tools that I can do. Like I said, these are the iframes. Okay, oh my god, when you click publish right now, it has published it. Okay, oh my god, let's check it out. It is supposed to be live. Why isn't it having like a thumbnail? Didn't I save it? Let me go and try it again, please. Where is it? I have to save it. Okay, let me try and generate the post again. I have to go to events, and then I click generate. Okay, after clicking generate, I'm gonna click publish. Thumbnail automatically added. So right now it's supposed to go live, right? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Voila. So right now it has gone live, but I said it, I think I scheduled it to appear 1 hour after. Yeah, I think that is in my settings in the scheduler. As you can see, the schedule, it says the event is scheduled 1 hour before. That's why it has gone live, like it will go live 1 hour before, but you can change and adjust the time to 30 minutes depending on what you want. 3 hours, 6 hours, whatever you want. You can enable auto scheduler, like in case, like if you have, like it will check every after 4 minutes to post for you automatically. And as you can see, it's generating thumbnails. It means it's posting something already. Okay, it's already posting something. Okay, it is generating Baltimore versus, I think this is an MLB game, right? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is an MLB. Am I lying? I'm not lying. It's an MLB. Yeah, it is live. And yeah, that's live. Oh my god, that is so live. And then also, let's try this one, let's just try and preview it. Oh my days, it's there live. It's live also. It has like the player in it. The iframes are already inserted like automatically. So what else do you need, guys? Everything is done for you. No need to do anything. So it's kawa, guys. So I don't know. Make sure that you subscribe to this video and like it, and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments. I will be able to reply to them. And that's it in today's video. And bye bye, guys. Thank you guys so much.